Dogs barking. Neighborhood's alive. Let's see what the girls are doing. Hello, girls. What y'all doing? Want to come out and stretch your legs? Huh? How was that night? It was cold last night. 25 degrees. Let's make a run for it. Oh, sunshine just came out. Sunshine. I don't know where they're going. They're all heading up to the house for some reason. I don't know. What's going on here, girls? Oh, snickerdoodle. You don't know, girl, are you? Snickerdoodle. Man of the house. You doing good? Plenty of food? How about you, mama? You were a bitch yesterday. Excuse my French. You were mean. You were angry. What happened to you yesterday? Man, you were mad. Open your cage and get mad at me again? She wanted them babies protected. See babies in there? They're in there. You can't see all three of them. I see two of them. They're staying warm. They're all cuddled up. They're all cuddled up. Temperature's quite warm. At 70 degrees. In the coop, in there, in the nest. But it's only what? It's what, 56, 55, 56 out here. That's good. So my heater's working. The heater's keeping the nest warm. And see it, make sure it's still on, just barely warm. Keeping the babies warm. What, Binky? What you coming here for? You want something? You know I'm gonna step on you. Alright. What are we doing down here? Adele? That's what Mama calls you. Still got a bunch of hay in there. Foot. I told you I'd step on you. What'd you get under my foot for? I walk down here, you come down here with me. Oh, you wanna talk to me? Talk to me, Beaky. Oh, Beaky. Oh, y'all want me. Y'all want a treat. Let me get in here and talk to Madonna here. Come here, Madonna. Come here. Yeah, Madonna wants to be touched. Madonna wants some loving. Yeah. Don't you, Madonna? You're some good loving. You like loving, yeah. You're a good girl. Man, these rabbits are sweet. Man. Good girl. Alright. Madonna got her loving. How about you, Adele? Come here. Come here. Come get some. Come here. Come here. You gonna be way over there? You don't want me to come get you? You want me to come get you? Yeah, that's a good girl. I got some anyway. Don't dare touch the mama. She don't want to be touched. Snickerdoodle, he's good though. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Ain't you a good boy? You're a good boy? Big boy. Big boy. Alright, get some water. Let's see what's going on in the coop. Y'all gonna keep following me around? Drive me nuts? I know what you want. Let's get the fans turned on. Get some exhaust going. Woo! Get coop up a. Yeah, the other thermometer said about 58. That's about right. So let's check the eggs. 1, 2. Oh, Meg, look at the size of that one. Look at that. That's unusual. That's unusual. What's this? I'll take this egg out, right? And put it in here. Compare that. Look at that. That's a tiny white egg. I don't know who laid that. Must be a miss. Must be a miss shot. Let's see here. All right. Let that air out a little bit. Chickens are driving me nuts. I know what they want. They want to be hand fed again. Y'all want to be fed? Here they come. Come running. Everybody's coming. Oh, got a gang here. Hang on. Hang on. Let's see what I got. Beaky. There. I'm not sure I want to do this. I'll get rough. Going to town. What you doing? Alright, here. I got too much to do today. Sit here and be hand feeding you. Go over there and find some. Get another pile. See, I could fighting over it. Why are you being mean? Don't let them get you like that. Here. Alright, that's it. Man. Fighting over a little bit of scratch. That's all. Fighting over a little scratch. Alright. Y'all clean that up. And I'll clean up your coop real quick. Real quick. 1 potato, 2 potato. I'm almost done. I need to make a riddle. Make a rhyme. I could say it in the coop and be done in no time. Da 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 da. What's my dog doing? What are you doing, Luna? Just watch out, keeping an eye out for me. Keep an eye on the chickens. He's gone. Gotta get it going. Which one I miss? I miss a couple. Miss a couple here. Miss a couple there. That's it. Pretty much done. One down here. One over here. Couple in the back. Yeah. Da da da. Dee dee dee. Gotta make it fun. That's all. You back again? Alright. Let's just get this, smooth this out a little bit. Spread the joy. That's it. And the coop is done. Little droppings here. Little droppings there. That's it. Go out the other side and get the eggs. Alright, lights out. Scoopers put up. Bucket back. Alright. I'm still cleaning up. What? What? You getting excited? Let's grab this basket up here. Ah, that was good. Dropped it. Oh, I see that feistiness. What y'all doing, feisting, fighting? You're not gonna believe this, man. One. I don't know what the good this is. Oh, it's so tiny. That's a tiny little egg. Usually the white chickens have the biggest eggs. One of them must be having some egg laying issues. Egg laying issues. Huh. Tiny little thing. Alright. That's it. I got some kale coming. Should be here in a couple hours. Some carrots. I'll give them rabbits some kale later on tonight, this afternoon. Got me a Walmart delivery coming. And that's it for now. Chickens are out. Collected the eggs. Checked on the rabbits. Everybody's happy. Babies are warm. We'll be back if nothing major happens. Come back and give the rabbits fresh water. Still got that to do. And that's it. Luna, what do you want? Just keep moving. And I gotta make a trip to Tractor Supply. So let's see how that goes. I'll fill you in later. Alright, everybody. Next thing you'll see is probably be dark. Coming out here to lock them up. This light scares y'all? Don't let this light scare y'all. Flashlight. Y'all get scared. It's just me. What the hell was that? Pop, pop. Pop, pop, fizz, fizz. Oh, what a relief it is. Hello, girls. Got your treats. I got you treats. Look what I got. Yep. I got a bunch of kale. Told you I'd be bringing you some kale, didn't I? I can just get it untangled. There you go. Who's first? You want some first? You want some? You want to come out? What's coming out? You coming out? You want that, don't you? Come here. This girl. This good girl. Go ahead, eat. Go ahead. You can have it. Y'all missed that, didn't you? You missed that, didn't you? You missed that, didn't you? You missed that. My flashlight still on? Yeah. Turn that damn thing off. I don't want to blind y'all. I don't want y'all seeing them. You see me. You gotta hear my voice. You know it's me. Yeah. Here I got. Look at that. You want some of that? There you go. Yeah, you like that, don't you? Oh yeah. Man, I gotta turn the light on for that. You're just going to town. You like that stuff. Light or no light, you're gonna eat, huh? Even though the bright light's in your face. There's something about kale, they just love it. You put cabbage out here, nah. Lettuce, nah. Kale, man, they go to town. Turn the light back off. Yeah. Now, let's go see what Mama's gonna do. She was mad at me the other night, so. You want to talk to me? You gonna be nice to me? You wanna be nice to me? Come here. Want some of that? Come here. You want some? Come here. She says no. Did you hear that? Alright, here. I'm not gonna force you. You're being timid. When it comes to eating, put that kale down. They'll leave you alone. You're not gonna bother me now, are you? You love that. You gotta go to town on that kale. While I'm in here, let's just look at the babies. Oh yeah. What y'all doing? All snuggle in bed. Y'all staying warm? Now look at that. Look how fast they're growing fur. Man, that was just here yesterday. And the ears weren't covered. Now they're covered. They're growing fur fast. Snickerdoodle wants some. Snickerdoodle wants some. You want some Snickerdoodle? Alright, let's turn that fence light off. I left your door open. You come over here to tell me? I'm sorry. Let's see what else I got here. We gotta get something Snickerdoodle. Let's get Snickerdoodle something. Come here, buddy. You go Snickerdoodle. I'll turn off. I don't know what's going on here. Here, lights off. Lights off. Look at that. Come here. She's there. Going to town. You ever seen a rabbit eat so vigorously? Vigorously. Just go to town on it. It's like they ain't had no food. And they know you do because they have plenty of hay. Their food box is full, which is the pellets are just compressed alfalfa and Timothy hay. But when it comes to greens, you want to make a rabbit happy? Yeah. Look at him. Oh, I left your door open too. What's wrong with me? I wanted to give you an extra bunch. That's what it was. There you go. Something fresh. Now you got plenty. That'll keep you going. All right. There you go. Madonna over there. This is Adele. See, she's eating. She don't bother me. She loves me. There gives you plenty. That'll give you plenty right there. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Alright, let me get this trash cleaned up. Put it in the bag. You getting hyper? Jumping around? Still going and munching. Still munching. Alright. Mom, I got you another one. I'm gonna throw you another one in here. How about that? Just in case you want another one. You need the nutrients. Pass it on to your young. Alright. That's where we're at. Let's see, I'll turn the light on one more time. Temperature, 50 degrees, 48. Okay. And in their cage, it looks like it's 60, 62, 63. Everybody out here is happy. Oh, let's get some water going here. Let's get some water going. That's just gonna give y'all some water real quick. Do-do-do. That's why I have jugs ready to go. Just in case. I'm out here and I need it. What's Mom for a little bit? She gonna take it. Yeah. Something about meal time. You want to keep them quiet, calm. You just give them some cue. Gotta turn this fan down. It's cold. Y'all cold in there? Come in there next. I'll check on you chickens in a minute. Gotta take care of rabbits first. Mama's eating. Baby's eating. What's your eating? Look at that. Yum, 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 yum. I gotta eat some yum, 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 yum. What are you doing? What'd you do? You wanna be in a movie star? What you looking at? No? What you hiding from? You don't like that light. Beep. There you go. Cut it off. It's off. You want a hug? Is that what you want? Come here. Come here. I love you. No? Okay. You chewing up. Don't press my luck. Had enough. Oh, it's cold. Look at this fan off. Gotta get this fan on. Lights on. There we go. Okay, what we got, girls? Everybody's here? Very good. Let's cut the window down real quick. There we go. Fan off. Anybody lay eggs? No eggs. It's too quiet, girls. That's quiet. It's quiet. I know. I like to sleep with a fan on, so let's turn it all the way down. All the way down. It's barely running. Y'all get over there and stay away from this fan. Alright. I woke you up. Go back to sleep. Okay. We're done. Water, fed. Got all their treats. That's gonna be good. Alright. Let's don't get hot over there. It's enough for one day. Y'all eat. Everybody's good. Baby's good. Locked up. Chickens are all tucked in. That's it. Just like we started, we finish up. So, today's February 22nd, 2025. Good, successful day. Animals are happy. Have a good day. God bless you all. Don't forget to subscribe.